Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that we all do every day. Whether we are talking, texting, or even using facial expression, we're always sending messages to other people. But why communication is important to us? In this speech, I'll explain why good communication matters and how we can all improve it. First, communication helps us to connect with others. It's how we make friends, share ideas, and solve problems. Without communication, it's easy to misunderstand each other. This can lead arguments or mistakes, even when we don't mean to. Second, communication is not just about words. It's also about how we can say things about things, our tones, body language, and eye contact. Sometimes, a simple smile or a kind tone can change the whole meaning of a message. And listening is just as important as speaking. When we listen, we somehow respect and care. Third, here are some ways to be a better communicator. So first is listen before you speak. Second is be clear and honest with your words. Third is use simple language. Fourth is stay calm, especially in difficult situations. And the last is pay attention to other person's feelings. To sum up, communication is a big part of our lives. It helps us to build strong relationships, work better with others, and avoid problems. By speaking clearly, listening well, and being kind, we can all become better communicators. Let's try to improve the way we talk and listen every day. That's all. Thank you.